Hello everyone and welcome to another Sudoku gameplay. In this video, I'm going to show you the Sudoku gameplay number 7. But before that, let me tell you one of the important facts of Sudoku. The word Sudoku itself originally came from the Japanese word Su means numbers and Doku means single. So when you combine them, the word Sudoku, it means single numbers, or to be more precise, it called as single digits. So without further delay, let's have a look at the Sudoku gameplay number 7 now. Alright, we have come to the end of the Sudoku gameplay number 7. Do you find out this Sudoku gameplay is knowledgeable and enjoyable at the same time? So make sure that you leave this video a thumbs up, and also not to forget to share this video and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming Sudoku gameplay in the future. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you next time.